Tonight, local health officials are now saying mixed messaging about COVID is causing confusion.
All this comes after the White House report listed Oklahoma as the state with the fourth highest rate of positive tests.
NewsChannel 8's Maureen Wurtz is live at the Tulsa Health Department tonight with more on how that new report is impacting Oklahoma. Maureen.
Folks here at the Tulsa Health Department and other local leaders have been saying the same thing for months. Wear a mask, wash your hands, social distance. But some here worry that everything has become so politicized that people aren't paying attention to those basic guidelines. Oklahoma is now a top 10 state for two telling COVID statistics. One, the number of new COVID cases, and two, the number of COVID tests that come back positive.
I'd rather be 4 out of 50 states in something other than the number of active COVID cases or positivity rate for COVID cases.
Tulsa City Councilor Phil Lakin saying he's glad the city of Tulsa has a mask requirement, but it's the county that's a concern.
If medical doctors are concerned, if the friends that I have who are working in ICUs and emergency rooms are concerned, then I've got good reason to be concerned.
We're not out of the woods, and in fact, some of these numbers are concerning.
Dr. George Monks with the Oklahoma State Medical Association has been consistently asking folks to social distance, wash their hands, and wear a mask. But that hasn't always been the case statewide and nationally. In fact, newly released recordings from journalist Bob Woodward have President Trump admitting to downplaying the threat of the virus.
I wanted to always play it down. I still like playing it down.
Do you think that kind of undercuts some of the messaging that folks like yourself and other health officials are trying to put out?
Well, I think that state and federal leadership, it's like walking a tightrope where you want to convey to the public that it's a serious situation, yet at the same time not alarm the public.
Yeah, there's so much messaging, and it's messaging by various units of government, whether it be federal, state, or local. There's a lot of messaging from just individuals.
Both men agree they can't control what politicians say in private or public, but they can do one thing.
My hope is that we can just delay those effects for as many of us as possible until we get a vaccine by just doing something that's pretty altruistic to me, by wearing a mask.
Now, Mayor Bynum did release a statement today saying that the White House report is concerning, but did point to the fact that Tulsa, the city of Tulsa, has a mask mandate, but not a lot of the cities outside in Tulsa County. Now, I also did reach out to the state health department, and they did not get back to me. Reporting live at the Tulsa Health Department, Maureen Wurtz, News Channel 8.